So I forgot to add this earlier in the video, but there's actually a way you can get Substance that you can actually just after you finished installing it, you can just click on this button here, right? Make sure it's pinned to the taskbar. So when I have Substance Painter, literally what I do is I right click and I make sure it's pinned to the taskbar. You can open it here. Give it a minute, sorry. I have a shitty graphics card, so I just hit continue anyway. Uh, let's start painting. And yeah, that's it. Look, I've got the basic guy here, and I can paint on him as much as I want. But yeah, thank you, and